We know that coding and programming skills with clear concept and logics are essential for all. Although AI is able to generate code, apps, website, graphics, animations, everything. But if you have clear concept or basic concept about the codings or logics about the codings, you will be able to use AI for your better, standard, and faster project. So here is the Scratch program, one of the most popular visual based block based programming language to develop your skills or concept about the codings, especially for the beginners, for the students, for the different childrens. Okay, they can use by using. So although there are different versions of Scratch, like you can install, you can download and install your Windows, or you can use web based. Here we are going to learn about how you can use web best scratch, like by joining or creating. Okay, so here directly without joining also you can create start, you can create the project, like different types of project you can create, the story, games, animations, videos, whatever. And by using here, when you click at here join scratch, you will be directed to this dialog box, and you can create here your one ID in Scratch, so that here your username means like what you want to see. Then you can just create the password, and next you have to save here as email, so that you can verify your ID. And then after you can log in. So if you sign in, again login means sign in. When you click at sign in, you will be given like this types of dialog box, and you can enter user and password. After then you can just sign in. After signing, you will be able to create your one project and save online, so that you can share your stuffs. So here is your my profile, what I have already logged in. So here you can see the my profile, or you can see the my stuff. My stuff means like basically what you have created, that all you can see. Okay, so in my stuff, so when you click at my stuff, you can see here all your projects, what you have created, what you have saved. And you can edit it, you can share it, like here is kite flying game I have created. You can see, and this is the address. So if you click at here at the top here address bar, and you can just copy this address and you can share to anyone. So these are the shareable, you can share through that any social networking or whatever. Again, so here is the project what I have created. You can see here, this is the gaming. You can use here like a game you can use, or you can see the inside, so that you can edit here the codes what I have already designed here. Like this you can design, you can create, you can modify. Okay, so this is one of what you can do in stuff. And another, you can download easy way, like save as a copy, and here save to your computer. So but mind it, in if you have not installed in your computer, you cannot use. But if you log in, you can just load again back to your account, and you can use. So it is very interesting, and uh, easy to use. So you can log in. So and here you if you are interested like this types of video, then please do comment and follow me for more videos. I think I have made it clear. So see you in next video. Thank you.